press down this and then use my fingers to lock the force screws down. So now I can tighten this number 3 and also the number 4. Remove this, move this over to this side. Okay. Okay, that's all tight. So it's just this guy here. See if I can reach it from here now. Need to reach it from here. Actually, you see, I'm not doing it right because I need clockwise. I need a longer range. That's what I need. Because it's tight space. You get a longer range. Okay, clockwise. Clockwise. You get this out of here. That's better. Yeah. Getting there. Let's see if I can use my finger. Okay, that's pretty. Okay. Okay. A couple more turns, that's it. Oh, yes. Okay, that should do the trick. So that one is done. That's 2, that's 3, that's 4. Okay, it's all done. Now bring back the motor. Windshield wiper motor. Maybe I was putting in the wrong hole here. Yeah, it should be this guy here. Okay, good. That's good. Because that should be the screw to go in. Because there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. Or there's 4. 1, 2, 3, No, that's handle. This one and this one is the handle over here. 1, 2. So that's 1 for the motor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. That's it. That's the wiper motor. So let's get to it. Okay, here's the wiper motor. Going into that hole there. There we go. Yeah. So that's going there. 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so that's holding. Let's get the 4 screws. Alright. These are number 10 screws as well. So use our fingers to put these screws in first. Then I'll use a tool. Here we go. There we go. Line up. Finally line up. That's 1. Here's the 2. 3. Oh, very nice. And then 4 is here. These are all number 10 screws, so hex screws, so you can use the number 10 socket. I'll show you in a second. Right here. Yeah, again, this hole and that hole, that's the door handle, so don't worry about it. So let's get the, alright, here we go. Clockwise to tighten it. Okay, good. This one. Alright, it's good. Okay. Okay, this one is good too. Now connecting the power. I think it's this way. There we go. And then this is supposed to go back in here. Go back to that hole. Let's get the light over to here. Let's see. Get back to this hole here. There we go. So now I think the last step is just to pop this back in and we're in business. So you can see this hole, this plug is going to be back in there, but this is already broken. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, That's broken too, 4. You know, so um, this is 5. This is 6, 7. This is broken, 8. So 1 in the corner here, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna. This is fine. So I'm gonna have to get this down and put it back in here, and this one down and put it back in here, and we're in business. So let me do that, and then we can pop this back in. So let me do that. We said we were gonna get this one. Okay. This guy here. Okay, here we go. Put it in here. Like that. And then this one here. Where's the screwdriver? Try to pop this. Almost. There we go. Dropped it. Okay, so push this back in. So 1, 2, 3. This runner is already up there. I'm gonna have to take it down, otherwise we're gonna have a hard time to get that in there. So again, use our screwdriver. There we go. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one dropped already. Put it back in there. 7, 8. Now that's it. So let's put it off. Pop it all back. Okay, you hear that pya 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 sound? That means it's all back in. Now, put the handle back in and we're in business. These two are the handles. Screw over here. The handle. These handle screws are number 10 as well. So I think it's in. Number 10. Need this extension. Okay. Okay, it's pretty plenty tight. Okay. Okay. Pop these back in and we're in business. Yeah. There we go. You know, this have to go. Oops. Okay. You know, this have to go the flat end. I have to go to the top. Yeah, the flat end will have to go in. Flat end will have to stay on top. You know, flat end is on the top. You know, it's round at the bottom. It's just flat end is on the top. So I'm gonna have to put it in like that. Okay, but I want to take a picture first. Okay, like that. Almost done. Yeah, and this one doesn't matter. This one just locked it in like that. Locks it in like that. There's my tool. There's my tool. This channel lock. Okay, now it's tight. Okay, now it's tight. Pop this back in there. Yeah. Where's my screw? Oh, yeah. This is the busted screw. I don't want to use this. This is, as you can see, it's so rusted. So I need to get a new knot for this.